Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can install a Steam game to an external drive on Windows 10. Go ahead and connect your external drive to your system and then open Steam. Purchase the game if you haven't already done that, and then go to Library and then select the game. Click the Install button and you're going to see this window. Open this Choose Location for Install drop-down and then select your external drive. Make sure you select the root of the external drive and not a folder inside it. Click Select and then click OK. On this main installation window, click Next and the game is going to start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can play, and the game files, as you can see here, are installed on my external drive. Now let's say you've already got a game installed and you want to move it to the external drive. That's pretty easy to do. Make sure the external drive is connected to your system and then open Steam. Go to Library and then right click the game that you want to move. Select Properties from the context menu and then go to the Local Files tab. Click the Move Install Folder button. Open the drop down and then select your external drive. Click Move Folder, and once the folder has been moved, you can return to the Properties window for the game. Again, go to the Local Files tab and then click this Verify Integrity of Game Files button. If everything checks out, your game's been moved and you can now play it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.